Okay, let's do another couple examples. For example, let's say that I have the 45-degree angle that I want to convert to radians. Again, I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to put degrees, sorry, wrong one. I'm going to put degrees on bottom so that they cancel, and I'm going to put radians on top. And again, there's 180 degrees to pi, or 3.14, blah, 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 radians. When you take this, we're going to take 45 divided by 180. Your degrees will cancel. We're still going to have pi included in the answer, of course. And if you grab your calculators, you can double check this. If you take 180 and divide it by 45, you'll get 4. But seeing as how we want to have 45 divided by 180, we're going to get 1/4 pi radians out of that. Or the way that we traditionally write that is pi over 4 radians. Another problem here, let's say we want to take 60 degrees and convert it. Same idea, pi radians over 180 degrees. And we are going to end up, our degrees will cancel. 60 divided by 180 is the same thing as 1 divided by 3. So our final answer here is going to be pi over 3 radians. And hopefully you recognize the problems that I chose to do for you. I just did for you a 30, gave us pi over 6 radians, a 45-degree angle, gave us pi over 4, and a 60-degree, which gave us pi over 3. And this is where I need some feedback from you. Did you learn special triangles with either Jensen or Miller before you came to see me? This is something that I'm going to be definitely going through for your next lesson. But these 3 angles and the right triangles that use these angles are called the special triangles. They're very, very commonly, very commonly used in trigonometry and really any math that depends on trig from this point forward. Sorry, I've got some things installing on my computer, so it's making some noise. So, on these 3 triangles, I'm going to spend more time in depth with these in particular in your next lesson. I'm not going to stress these right now, but I do want to just make a note of please, please, please pay special attention to these 3 angles because they are going to be the angles that help to define almost the entire unit circle. And I'll show you how that works in the next lesson.